This video is all about types of data analysis, methods used under those data analyses, and the techniques to execute those methods. If you've been a data analyst for very long, you've undoubtedly heard a lot of words like quantitative versus qualitative methods or analysis, descriptive versus diagnostic. There's also prescriptive. You might have also heard words like clustering, classification, forecasting, and time series data. And even more, you might have heard cohorts, factors, and exponential smoothing, which are examples of techniques. A lot of it can be overwhelming because it's a big topic. That's why I built this tree graph for you, which breaks it down. So what we see is that under data analysis, we first break down into quantitative and qualitative types. Under the quantitative, we've got mathematical and artificial intelligence type. Now, there are no methods for artificial intelligence, but we'll talk about that in a second. Under mathematical types, you've got descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive, which are just subcategories, but still types of data analysis. Then once you go one tier below, you see methods, and we got broken down into clustering, classification, forecasting, and optimization, under which you have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different core techniques used to execute those methods. If you go back to artificial intelligence, you can see that you've got neural networks, decision trees, evolutionary programming, and fuzzy logic. Now, this can be a lot to take in, and I understand that. So if you want, you can head on over to analystanswers.com, where I break down all of these categories, types, methods, and techniques in a detailed article. I'll put the link in the description. And then finally, on the right, you've got qualitative, all in green, qualitative types of data analysis. We don't have any subtypes, but they do have methods, mainly 5, which are content, narrative, discourse, framework, and ground theory. If you break those down into techniques, essentially quantitative data analysis consists of textual analysis, coding, which is not data or programming language coding, but it is turning words into codes or recognizable patterns, which we can call idea pattern analysis, and word frequency. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and head on over to analystanswers.com to learn more.